Hi guys, I wanted to tell you about a very special skincare line called MDOskin, launched by Dr. Simon Orion, who is well known here in Los Angeles as the top cosmetic dermatologist to the stars. Think Kardashian Jenner clan, Lady Gaga, Victoria's Secret models, all the best. After 20 years of experience, he decided to share some of his best kept skincare secrets with the world. And I'm so happy he did, because now we will all have access to his special formulas that have previously only been offered to his in-office patients. I've been road testing the MDOskin products for over a month now and have seen incredible results. My wrinkles and lines have diminished, and I definitely have more of an overall youthful, glowing complexion. MDO is a skincare solution that improves the quality of your skin in 28 days with a 3-step program: a cleanser, an exfoliant, and a serum. Previously, they were only sold as a kit, but now all 3 products are also available to purchase individually too. Each one works great by itself, or you can buy the kit for bigger savings to achieve the effect of clinical treatments. Now let me show you exactly how I've been using the MDO skincare system as part of my routine. So first step is the cleanser. Now you just take a small amount on your fingertips, no water needed, and then you rub in circular motions on your face, neck, and chest. And you can use this in the morning or at night. Next step is you rinse your face with cold water. Now it's ready for the exfoliant. Next step is the exfoliant. Now this is a citric acid peel, and it gently removes dead skin, it soothes uneven skin, pigmentation, and dark spots. So for best results, you use this once a week in the evenings right after cleansing. So now I'm going to open a tube and pour the exfoliant into the provided dish here, and just watch me do it. Okay. And then I'm going to take this special MDO brush and put the exfoliant on my face. I'm going to paint it so that there's a thin layer. I'm also going to put it on my neck. And you can even get it onto your chest too. And leave this on for 10 minutes. Okay, ready to rinse. Results are amazing. I use this regularly, and I see that my pores are more refined and my skin looks more even-toned, smooth, and glowing. Next is the serum. This is step 3. Okay, so the serum has a very effective active ingredient concentrate that can be used every day, either in the morning or at night. It regenerates and deeply hydrates my skin, especially after using the exfoliant. So I'm going to show you how to use it now. So I put 3 or 4 drops onto my fingertips, and then pat the serum into my face and my neck and chest. And this serum is super hydrating and makes my face and my skin texture really even toned and very, very glowy. I have to say, it's very exciting that we can now all get Dr. Orion's skincare treatment and improve the quality of our skin right at home in 28 days. Remember, MDOskin comes as a kit, or you can buy the products individually. All the products are vegan, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, and are produced in Germany under the highest quality controls. Hi guys, I want